Hello, today we will guide you through how to clean up accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. To begin, make sure you are signed in to QuickBooks Online and on the home screen. This is your starting point, and from here you can access the tools needed to make a correcting entry for accounts receivable cleanup. Once you are on the home page, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. This menu gives you quick access to different transaction types in QuickBooks. For this process, we'll be using a journal entry, which is often helpful when you need to make an adjustment tied to receivables. From the Create menu, click Journal Entry. This opens the journal entry form where you can enter the details of the adjustment. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct window before continuing, since accuracy is especially important when working with accounts receivable. Next, click into the text box for the account field on the journal entry form. In this field, type Refund Allowance. This will identify the account being used for one side of the adjustment. Be sure to select the matching account from the list if QuickBooks suggests options as you type. After that, enter the sample debits. This is the amount you want to apply on the debit side of the journal entry. When entering debits, it's a good idea to double-check the amount before moving on, since even a small mistake can affect your receivables balance and related reports. For the next line, click into the account field again and type Accounts Receivable. As you begin typing, QuickBooks will usually display matching account names. Select the appropriate receivables account from the list, specifically Accounts Receivable, often shown as Accounts Receivable or AR. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks that the adjustment affects customer receivables. When working with AR, careful account selection helps keep your books organized and ensures the entry posts to the correct area of your financial records. Once everything is entered and reviewed, go to the bottom right of the screen and click Save and New. This saves the journal entry you just created and opens a fresh form. Even if you do not need another entry immediately, this confirms that your current adjustment has been recorded. Before finishing, it's always a smart habit to quickly review the saved information for accuracy, especially the debit amount and the account names you selected. That's it for this walkthrough on cleaning up accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online.